Hey everyone. I got some new plants because, of course, I did. Um, I hope you're enjoying this unkempt haggardness. We're all like that. It's fine. But yeah, I thought I would do like a little unboxing and share the, the tragedy that led to getting a new plant. So let's do that. So this is the Kenilworth ivy I bought a little while ago, and it was doing really well. You can see had a pretty long vine that was growing, and I had it on one of my bookshelves, and I just don't think it was enough light. So I was forced I tell you, to get a replacement. And I mean, I don't know about you, but I can never get just one plant. So let's take a look at what we got. This is all from Glasshouse Works, where they don't really keep a stock. They do like cuttings, and they propagate on demand. And I've gotten a lot of really cool stuff from them, so I figured I would get another round. This is... Okay, so this has a pot. It's still damp, which is nice. This is a cacti of some kind. I don't even remember what I got. Like, let's be real. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, this is a grandifolia. I wonder if this is the... They usually put in like an extra plant. I wonder if that's what this is. It's got two nice little stalks. I'll have to look this one up. It's got some nice little fuzz on it. Like prickly pears get sometimes. Okay. Stick that tag back in. There is... I wonder if this is the... I got another type of Christmas cactus. Yeah! Oh my gosh. This is Epiphyllum chrysocordium. Looks pretty good. I'll probably repot that. But this is, I think, a fernleaf fig? Nope, a fernleaf cactus. It has these really beautiful, like long, leafy. All right. That one I know I ordered. This one is clearly a type of Hoya. Did I order a Hoya? Maybe. Oh yeah, it's Hoya Pink Silver. I have a Hoya. It's sort of like the classic white Hoya, but this one has these like really beautiful, sort of opalescent pink flowers. These are really long, yellowish green leaves compared to the other one that I have as well. Really beautiful. I'm excited about that. A lot of their cuttings, I think, are sort of taken and then popped into some sort of soil mixture. Hoya can be tricky to propagate. They're like easy to propagate, but they take a really, really long time sometimes. I had one, a leaf that I took before I even knew what it was in college, and it took, I want to say 2 years to actually grow something. Now it's huge. Okay, this is the replacement for the Kenilworth ivy. You can see how nice and lush this is compared to the sad, dried out vine it became. There we go. I love this plant. I have a friend who always makes fun of me for it, but this grows like all over walls. I think it's actually called muralis because of that. Cymbellaria muralis, yeah. It grows in the cracks of walls in Europe, in England, where I was living. It has these like snapdragon-looking flowers, and I think it's really, really charming. And I just wanted to have, you know, a piece of it. Again. Oh, it's got a bud right there. Okay, I'm gonna... God help me, I'm wanting to take care of that plant. I think it just needs more sun. Alright, let's see what else is. Oh, they put a heating pack in. That's why it was nice and warm. That's great. It's still nice and warm too. Okay. Here we have what looks to be an aloe, an agave of some kind. I already have so much agave. Oh no. This is oh, this is the bonus. Okay. So I apparently did order the other one. Yeah, this is some kind of aloe. Walsney's blue? Not sure. I like aloe though. I'm into this. Gonna have to pot it a little nicely. And oh god, there's more. Why did I buy so many plants? I'll put back in. This might be a kind of passion flower I bought. No. Oh my gosh, yes. This is a jewel orchid. It's my first one. Looks like it lost a little bit of a leaf. But I love... It's one of the rare orchids that I really like because of its foliage instead of its flowers. Look how nice and like velvety and dark that is. Gorgeous. So I took a little bit of a closer look, and the pink silver Hoya is actually two. There's this one and this one, but I put them together because, you know, it'll make it a little more full. This I looked up. This is a rose cactus. It's really pretty. It actually has like pink dog rose looking flowers. It's really interesting. I have to look up the care for it. I kept the jewel orchid and the rose cactus in their original pots because I believe they both have roots. This, the blue aloe, looked it up, gorgeous. Has like this blue sheen. I think I read that it might be called a blue elf aloe. Really interesting. Has really beautiful flowers as well, so hopefully I can get that to happen. There were two. This one doesn't have roots, this one does. Really healthy roots, so I'm hopeful that they'll grow together. And then the Kenilworth ivy I'm going to leave where it is, because I would really love this flower to bloom. And then potentially I'll pot it back into this cement potter that I had. But we'll see. Oh, and I'm a doofus who forgot about the fern cactus. This one also doesn't have roots, but I have some experience growing jungle cacti, so I think I'll be able to give it a little go. Well, once again, that's more plants than I know what to do with. But I'll find a I'll find a place for them. I'm really excited. Try new plants. Hopefully, do better with old plants, and yeah, you know, it's always a good thing. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.